neighbors dropped our bags on apartment floors. Took our broken hearts, put them in a drawer. Everybody here was someone else before, and you can want who you want. Boys and girls.